Is there a such thing as investing too much time or attention or money into your personal look? Well, I guess that depends on who you ask. It depends on how much you value personal confidence, owning your style, being proud of the skin you're in, feeling like you can walk into any room at any time with your head held high. How much is that worth to you? How much time would you spend? How much money would you invest to feel like your absolute best self? These are the questions that you can ask yourself when you're evaluating whether or not you are expressing yourself to your fullest potential the way that you want to be represented. For me, if I'm making a statement with my look, the time invested is worth it. The time invested shows in the finished project. The amount of care and attention that we put in is reflected with the way that we look and the way that we feel. I will spend months collecting pieces specifically for one outfit if I want to. I like the idea of a head-to-toe cohesive look, attention to detail, noticing the small pieces that others might overlook. When you put thought into what you look like and how you present yourself, it's easy to stand by. It's easy to defend if anyone questions or asks you where you got the pieces that you got or asks you why you would put them together. You can smile and simply say, "This is my own personal style and I love it." Being unique is my own personal style and I love it. Research fashion trends, build a Pinterest board, start collecting images of pieces that you like that resonate with you. Find style icons who represent what you like about fashion. Start collecting these ideas and piecing things together and being mindful about what you wear and what you wear it with. I don't mind if I have to wait a long time to wear something if I know that every detail has been covered. And I know that I put my all into this look, I'm ready to show it to the world, and I will spend 4 hours getting ready. Because I'm worth it. I love myself and I appreciate myself. I like looking in the mirror when I'm done head to toe. I like the way it feels to know I've invested enough time in myself to show myself that I'm worth investing time into myself. And you're worth investing time into yourself. And if that looks like you spending time picking out new clothes, adding new jewelry to your collection, shopping at vintage stores, finding thrift pieces that speak to you, mixing designer, mixing old, mixing new, mixing colors, mixing patterns, mixing textures, taking risks, knowing what it is that fires you up. What do you like to look at and what do you like to look like? These questions will lead you to your own answers and your own personal style, so you can begin expressing yourself in new ways, amplifying your look and your style so that you are being your most authentically true version that you can think of for now. And when we're ready for something new, we embrace the new. guess it's a tradition in this video that for whatever reason, I check the clock at 1 a.m. and it is 1 a.m. We're still trucking and we're gonna be done soon. Woo! So we are done with hair and makeup and we are going into wardrobe. This one took a while, another 4-hour look. I'm gonna try to work on cutting that down, but I don't know. I don't know, it's just kind of the number that happens for me. So when I'm doing like this whole deal, it takes a minute to put it all together. So maybe we'll have, you know, more accessible looks on this channel at some point, but for right now, we're doing the glam look and, you know, that's it. I'll see you in wardrobe. Here is today's look. I don't know what is going on, but it started out because I was missing one tiny little piece from the look that I planned to do. So I just decided to put something else together. And it just so happened to be these 3 things that I had no idea what to do with, so I just put them all together. So, and like at first I was like, okay, this is some weird like Captain Hook shit, or you know, some like pirate shit. And then my husband added these glasses that I got. They're not even full glasses, you guys. They're so ridiculous. And it became Benjamin Franklin chic or something, I don't know, but it is gonna be fun and interesting. So jewelry, we've got more earrings from Vanessa Mooney, and these little spiked hoops I believe are from Melinda Maria. We've got 2 rosaries from Vanessa Mooney, this white collared shirt, and this black witchy shirt are both from Blackmilk. And the blazer, I'm sorry to say, it's another one of those internet ad, the Instagram ad by Say Get Me, but here's the tag. Cool, all right, I'm gonna put this on a person. Oh yeah, this guy too. We always love a good gold bracelet, even if we have a long sleeve. Just a little pop of sparkle will do ya. So, this look is kind of insane. It is like half Prince and Michael Jackson, half Benjamin fucking Franklin. I like experimenting with my look, so we're just gonna go with this. I don't know about these motherfucking glasses things, but you know what? I'm daring. I like to take risks, so let's do it. I hope you enjoyed watching me get ready and put this look together. This is literally the most last minute thing that I have. I have so many meticulously planned outfits, and then this one, it was like a last minute, just threw it together, all the shit that I had, and it just ended up. We're gonna say it's working. Now I'm headed over to my studio to begin filming this week's episodes of Roxy Talks. If you like videos based on confidence, mindset, and manifestation, you can join me over at Roxy Talks. I'll see you there. What do we do when we are out of alignment? Make manifesting, conscious manifesting, a practice for you. Have you found yourself in the dreaded friend zone?